You guys, at a lot of the traffic lights, they have a yellow out border lines outside of the traffic light. What is that for? Why do they outline it with yellow? Just curious. You guys know? Just leave it a comment below. This is a curvy road right here, very curvy. 2 lanes into one. A lot of apartments here. 44 miles. When I go to my sister's house, I don't usually take this way. I don't know. I would use today. I don't know why the Tesla navigation take me this way. I don't know. I don't have a reason for it.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto East Imperial Highway.
I don't know if it knows that traffic, because I would usually just exit Imperial and go all the way down. But this one, it exit Lambert, and then it go to the side streets, and then now it would come out to Imperial. So I don't know.
Now turn left onto East Imperial Highway.
Would it save us some time? I have no idea. But maybe Tesla just needed more miles on the data for FSD. Just take us around and around. Who knows? I'm doing a lot of modifications to the Tesla, with the most 2 recent one with the blind spot monitoring, and also the head-up display, and also any floor mats in here. If you guys buy through the links, use my coupon codes, you get like 15-20% off. And I think these are really nice. It's an accessories that I think everybody should have one. Just like the new Model Y, now they're gonna come out with the front camera. So yeah, with the head-up display, the one that I did recently with the install from Hanshow, it's really nice. I suggest if any of you guys have a Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, should install a head-up display. And it's really easy to install. If I can do it, you guys can do it. And it has the front camera too. A lot of people, when they do the install, they skip the front camera. But I actually showed it in my video how to install it and how to hide the wires and how to fish through it, which is pretty neat, right? Same thing with the blind spot monitoring. It's always good to have, the safety-wise. And any like less fit floor mats, everything that I use in this car is really nice. It's must have, and you can use my the link to get all the savings you can. Yeah, so right now it keeps it in the middle lane. So supposedly, if I were to drive it, I'm gonna make a left on Baston Cherry. Yeah, so it's doing what I would normally go. But earlier, like I said, I don't know why it wouldn't just drive down to Imperial and then make a left, rather than made one exit early and then go around in the local streets. We're about 9 minutes away from our destinations. So far, so good. Very confident with Tesla for self-driving. Pretty soon, this Saturday, I'm gonna be going camping. I'm really sick now, kind of getting better, and hopefully I'll be better by Friday. So that way, Saturday for sure, we're gonna go camping, and it's somewhere in San Diego. And I'm probably gonna use the Model Y for the kids to stay inside if it's get too cold. But we're gonna have to see on that one. But it's gonna be fun. So if you guys like camping and just want to know what it's like to camp in a Tesla Model Ys, you know, make sure you guys subscribe, right? But so far, so good. We're living in the technology world. Everything is just technology now. It's so crazy. Never thought a car would drive itself. I'm paying attention to the street, yet it tells me that I should pay attention. I'm not looking at anything else. Come on, cabin crew. I wonder what happened if I closed the cabin camera. It probably shut off FSD for sure. Now I get another indication that pay attention to the road. So should I try just to cover up the cabin camera and see what happens? Probably shut off FSD for sure. I think I wonder if Tesla has robots monitoring all of the cabin cameras, saying when they're using FSD, they should have full attention. They detect like a gesture of your face looking forward, only looking forward. If they look elsewhere, like down or sideways, then it should give a signal. Because I don't think Tesla would hire somebody that's sitting there just to monitor and send us a message every time. That would be too costly. So maybe AI is doing it. If I look down like this talking to you guys, I'll get an alert. Gotta keep my eye ahead. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go back home, and I've set it to assertive. So I think that's really aggressive. And so we're gonna see. We're about 40 minutes from home. So let's see if how aggressive this mode is. Okay, so earlier I thought I had it on chill, but it wasn't on chill. It was on something else. It was the middle part. I forgot what it was. Oh wow. Yeah, that was kind of like people would hold no patience. Just so you guys know, we're on Imperial Highway, and we're gonna get to the 57 north. Right now it's keeping in the center lane. We got 3 lanes over here. Speed limit is 50 miles per hour.
Sindingo says the refs always cheat for the Chiefs.
Drive like normal.
Tiffany Fan says, thanks for the Togo bro.
You're welcome. Oh, yellow light, yellow light. This time it runs the yellow light. Earlier it stopped for the yellow light. So it all depends. So here, even though the max speed limit is 50, it maintains about 42 to 43, 44. And it keeps good distance from the vehicle ahead of us, which is nice, you know. So we're going to be approaching the 57 freeway pretty soon, and it's going to be on our right-hand side. So I assume that Tesla somehow is going to have to signal to the right lane change.
Take the California
Right lane.
57 ramp on the right.
And right now we got
Then take the
two
California
semi-trucks,
57 north
one in front of
on the
us and one beside us or behind us now. And if it doesn't make the lane change now, it's going to be hard.